Hello everyone, warm welcome to our channel. Today we're going to discuss about the ELISA, that is enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. Hope after completing this class, you will not face any kinds of problem. Just subscribe our channel for regular free classes. Your support is required as well as whenever you will see the video lots of time, as well as whenever your doubts is really clear, as well as you are just supporting our channel, it will give us to taking lots of free classes into YouTube. Okay, see, without doing any kinds of delay, we are starting the ELISA. That is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. I am just saying the particular things lots of time because the real answer of the particular ELISA is from the name. Enzyme, see, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. I'm just using a very simple English so that you can easily understand whether you are a Hindi medium, Bengali medium, and another medium. You can easily understand the particular things. Just one request that you have to do the classes from the last end of the particular class. See, after completing this class, you will not face any kinds of doubt. Oh, see, enzyme linked immunosorbent. I'm again talking the particular things because the answer is here. See, enzyme link means we have to link the enzyme. Immuno defining that here should be AB reaction. Got it? Sorbent defining that here should be uses the substrate and the substrate enzyme reaction are happening. After that, the test basically happening due to this principle. Okay, so that ELISA basically help to detect the antigen or antibody. You can easily detect the antigen as well as you can easily detect the antibody. Don't require to memorize the particular things. Just keep in mind that just take the concept and move on. ELISA we can do for detecting antigen or antibody, not only antigen but also antibody. Got it? That's depend upon us in which particular things we have to detect. Because if we are detecting the antigen, it also proves that the particular positive agent is present. Or if you are detecting the antibody, that also proves that this particular positive agent is present, so that the antibody is developed. Got it? See, now I am coming that basically combine the specificity of the antibodies, specificity defining that this particular antibody is present, that is detected by the ELISA. Got it? And with sensitivity, this sensitivity basically help to developing the color, and this color basically help to detect that this particular antibody is present. Got it? That's the basic things about the ELISA. Up to this much, we have understood that we have to enzyme link as well as we have to use as the substrate and the antigen antibody reaction will be occurred. Got it? And we have understood that we can detect the antigen, we can detect the antibody. Okay. Now I'm coming to the purpose. See why the ELISA is important as well as why we will do the ELISA. See, just come with me, you will understand everything. See, first one is the disease diagnosis. Any kinds of disease where basically antigen antibody present. See, like HIV, like dengue NS1, dengue IgM, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, any kinds of positive present, any kinds of antigen we can detect by ELISA. Got it? And during the pregnancy test, we can also use this for understanding the beta HCG hormone. Into the food industry, here is also uses ELISA. Into the drug development, here is also ELISA. Into the research application means lots of research we have to do, like protein quantification, like cytokine measurement, we have to do the ELISA. Got it? Like quality control, if any kinds of control of the particular antibody production in the biotechnology, there is also ELISA uses. After that, for understanding the autoimmune disease, here is also ELISA required. Got it? That's all are the purpose of ELISA. Now I am coming the very interesting things, that is the types of ELISA. What are the types? See here, that is the direct ELISA. Another one is the indirect ELISA. Another one is the sandwich ELISA, and another one is the competitive ELISA. Firstly, we just take a very basic idea. After that, we will move to the every kinds of ELISA step by step. Okay, just see, I am just discussing every ELISA in very specific way. See, first one is the direct ELISA. Please keep in mind that this direct ELISA basically help to detect the AG, or this direct ELISA basically help to detection of the particular antigen is present or not. Got it? That is the microplate, that is the polycystine plate. These polycystine plate are basically immunosorbent. Okay, I have already explained the particular things is that's all are the immunosorbent. See, these oils are immunosorbent. Okay, these oils basically absorb the antigen, absorb the immunological things. Okay, so that they are immunosorbent in nature. See, here I am just coming here also. See, we have to edit the sample. The sample are contained antigen. Please keep in mind that the sample are coated with the sample are present as well as sample with antigen. We may also add it, because sample, if the sample are contains with the antigen, then color will be developed. Then we may suggest that the particular patient contains this antigen, right? So that, see here, that is a, we have to edit the sample. Sample are coined as well as sample are contains with the antigen. After that, we have to edit the primary antibody as a conjugate with enzyme. Please keep in mind that enzyme with primary antibody. Okay, primary antibody. So that if you are noticing here, there is a AG, there is a AG, AB reaction are happening directly or directly. See here, so that we are saying the particular ELISA is direct ELISA. Here should not any kinds of barrier, here should not any kinds of mediator, here is present nothing. Okay, so that, see here, that is the AG and that is the AB. Both reaction are occurring directly. Got it? So that we are saying that AGAB reaction are happening, as well as we are saying that that is the direct ELISA. AGAB reaction are happening. Whenever the reaction are happening, they basically form the AG-AB complex. Got it? After that, we are adding the enzyme with substrate. Yes or no? With substrate. This substrate basically help to doing the reaction with enzyme and develop the color. And this color we will get it. If we are, if that color is developed, it defining that the particular antigen is present. Got it? See here, if you are noticing here, here is a microtutor plate, or we can say that the polycystine immunoabsorbent plate. After that, we have to edit the sample. After that, we have to edit the primary antibody. This antibody are reacted with this particular antigen. After that, we have to edit the substrate. This substrate basically help to react with the antigen, help to react with the enzyme, and color basically develop. Because without the substrate enzyme cannot do the color reaction, as well as enzyme cannot do any kinds of reaction. Okay, because we have already understood this particular phenomena into the chapter of the enzyme. Because without the substrate, es complex will be not formed. Without the es complex, the product will be not formed. Okay, here is the product is the signal, so that color is different. That just you have already understood the particular things. Here is a particular step. I am just doing the reading the particular things, so that you can visualize the things. See, first one is the, we have to edit the sample are coated, as well as sample are contains with the antigen. After that, we have to remove the unbound antigen. After that, we have to edit the blocking reagent or block buffer. Why we are adding the block buffer? Block defining that you have to just congest it. Block defining that you have to just prevent the non-specific binding. So that blocking defining that to preventing the non-specific binding. Got it? After that, we have to edit the wash, as well as we have to wash it to remove the blocking buffer. After that, we have to edit the enzyme labeled antibody. Please keep in mind that enzyme labeled antibody, or this primary antibody, we are using as a conjugate with enzyme. Okay, after that, we have to wash it, because in every step wash is required. This wash basically help to prevent the unbound bounding. Okay, to prevent the non-specific bounding, as well to prevent the non-specific protein to react the particular reaction, as well as to help our reaction to doing it properly. Got it. After that, we have to add the substrate. This substrate will add it, as well as this substrate with doing the reaction with enzyme. After that, reaction will be occurred. After that, we have to add in the stop solution, because without adding the stop solution, color is already developing. Got it. So that we have to add it the stop solution. After that, we will read it through the ELISA reader. Please keep in mind that here is a two basic instrument is too much required. First one is the ELISA washer. You can purchase it. You can purchase it commercially. ELISA washer. This ELISA washer basically help to wash in every step. And another one is the ELISA reader. This ELISA reader will help you to giving the particular nanometer, so that, or giving the particular wavelength, so that you can detect the particular antigen is present or not. Got it. That's all about the direct ELISA or direct ELISA. So that if I'm taking a small snapshot of the whole things, I have understood that into the direct ELISA, antigen antibody reaction is happening directly. After that, we have to add the substrate are doing the reaction with the enzyme, and color become developed. If the color is developed, then we can say that particular antigen is present. Got it. That's all about the direct ELISA. That's not a commonly uses. See, indirect ELISA. We need to understand the indirect ELISA. Yes or no? We need to understand the indirect ELISA. See, indirect ELISA. Please keep in mind that indirect ELISA, there should be coated with the antigen. Antigen is already coated here. Please keep in mind that antigen is already coated here. Okay. After that, whenever you are adding the sample contain the primary antibody. Okay. And after that, whenever you are adding the enzyme with conjugate, this basically contains with the secondary antibody. Okay. And this secondary antibody are thinking the antigen antibody complex as antigen, so that this secondary antibody will react with this particular complex. After that, you have to add in the substrate. This substrate will develop the color. Got it. Please keep in mind that here is the basic difference into the indirect, that antibody, that is the secondary antibody, the antibody are not directly connected with the antigen. Please keep in mind that, because we are saying that indirect ELISA, because AG directly not connected to the AB. AG-AB complex are formed, they are connected with the AB, so that we are saying that that's all are the indirect ELISA. Okay, so that here is basically antigen is coated. After that, you have to add the sample contain the primary antibody, AG-AB complex become formed. After that, whenever you are adding the enzyme with secondary antibody, this secondary antibody will think that they all are the antigen. Okay, they are reacting with it, and they are just attaching with it, they are just forming the complex with it. After that, you have to add the substrate. This substrate will help to developing the color. Okay, here is also the same thing. See here, that is the added the antigen into the to the microplatter plate. Okay, antigen is already coated. After that, see here, remove the unbound antigen. You have to just remove it. Okay, after that, you have to add in the block buffer. This block buffer basically help to prevent the non-specific binding. I have already told you that wash. I have already told you that in every step wash is required. Add the primary antibody. Please understand it. Please add the primary antibody. Okay, and every step incubation is required, because without the incubation the reaction will not occur. Okay, after that, you have to wash it, so that remove the unbound primary antibody. Okay, after that, you have to add in the enzyme level secondary antibody, whatever I have already told you that. After that, you have to add in the substrate. After that, add the stop reaction as well as stop solution. After that, read the absorbance. Please keep in mind that basically help to detecting the antibody detection. Antibody detection, this basically help to detect the AB. Please understand it. AB. Okay, and another thing, please understand in the aspect of the ELISA, every step incubation is required, every step wash is required. Incubation is required for doing the particular reaction. Wash is required to prevent the unbound things, as well as to prevent the non-specific binding. Understood? After that, see here, indirect ELISA, we have already understood. Now we are coming to that is the sandwich ELISA. This sandwich ELISA basically very much important things. This sandwich ELISA nowadays we are using too much prominently. Please keep in mind that this sandwich ELISA nowadays we are using very much widely, and because that is highly sensitive and highly specific. Okay, that basically highly sensitive and highly specific. Please keep in mind that. Okay, see, sandwich ELISA basically help to detecting the antigen AG. Okay, see, sandwich defining that there should be AB. See, there is already quoted the antibody. Please keep in mind that this microtiter plate or immunosorbent basically coated with antibody. After that, you have to added the antigen. After that, you have to added the secondary antibody, so that if you are noticing here AB, AG, AG, and again AB, so that it's looking like a sandwich. Yes or no? AB, AG, and AB. Yes or no? See, AB is quoted. After that, AG you are giving, or sample you are giving. After that, AB you are giving. Got it? So that it's basically looking like a sandwich. So that we are saying that sandwich ELISA. Okay, and there is a simple step, same like the another step. See here, that is the step is almost same. Here is the difference. See here, add the detection antibody, enzyme labeled antibody. Okay, so that enzyme are contained with the secondary antibody antigen, that is a particular plate is coated with the antibody. After that, you have to add in the antigen or sample. After that, enzyme with antibody you have to add, so that antibody, antigen, and antibody bonding are happening. After that, you have to add the substrate. This substrate will help to developing the color to doing the reaction with the enzyme. Enzyme and substrate will doing the reaction and the color is developed. Here basically HRP, horse radish peroxidase, basically uses as the enzyme. Okay, most of the ELISA that basically depend upon the company to company, and how much time you have to do particular every step, that basically you will find out into the particular manuals in which company you are using, as well as in which kinds of ELISA you are using, that depend upon this one. Okay, so that I am not taking the particular things. You have to read the manual whenever before doing the particular test. Okay, here is also the same things are just mentioning here. Just look down upon the particular things. In every ELISA, stop solution is required, because stop solution basically help to stopping the color development, because without doing the stop solution, the color will become developed. You will not find out the proper result. Okay, here is a I have already told you that that is a highly sensitive and highly specific. Okay, hope you have already understood the particular things. Step is almost same in every type of ELISA. Okay, here basically cytokine measurement, hormone detection, pregnancy test, biomarker test, we are using the sandwich ELISA. Now it is too much widely used. Okay, so that you have already understood the sandwich ELISA. This one is the uses sandwich. I have already told you that, and the indirect I have already told you that, and direct I have already told you that. Just look now upon this particular phenomena. Okay, thank you so much for attending the class, and just subscribe our channel for regular classes. Okay, join our all kinds of platform to getting whole kinds of update related to the MLT. We have our free group. Within the free group you will get notes. I have already told you that you will get MCQ, you will get test. Okay, and you will get lots of update into the particular free groups. Okay, that is completely free of cost, that is completely dedicated to the medical lab technology student as well as the professionals. Thank you so much for joining our classes.